The future is both exciting and a little bit scary. So one of the first things that I'm going to be doing differently in the next decade is I'm starting off by reclaiming my new identity. For the last 10 years or 7 years, depending on where you start counting, I was operating under the name Akwande Communications. And the story of Akwande was always born from this idea that the word in itself meant growth, progression, and forward movement. And I think it's with deep gratitude that the last decade has been about growth, progression, and forward movement. But it's also been about coming to a realization about what exactly is it that I'm doing. And it actually took a moment of feeling like I was in a bit of an existential crisis, not really feeling that the work that I was doing was having an impact. And an aha moment as I grappled with that, as somebody that was a guest speaker at a leadership foundation or leadership fellowship that I was a part of, Rachel Adams, said the following words. She said, "Conversation is the birthplace of action." And I think having heard those words, I sat with them and I let them ferment, if you will, and came out of that with the realization that actually my work is really about using the art and the science of conversation and marrying that with the science and the execution and the construction of strategy. And so the new identity of being a conversation strategist. And I've started using and leaning into this identity for a couple of months now. One of the most beautiful things that have happened on the back of that is other men and women reaching out to me and saying, "Thank you for giving a name to what I believe I've been doing. Thank you for giving a name towards something that I believe I'm aspiring to." And usually on the back of those conversations is another question, which is, so Nozi, how do I become a conversation strategist? And so my next decade is actually going to be about answering that very question for all of those who feel that conversation strategy is the vehicle that they want to use to impact the world. And so the name change from Akwande Communications to the Conversation Strategists is the first one. You'll also notice that there's a plurality that I'm using there, and that's because although many might point to me and say, Nozi, you have been the first to identify yourself as a conversation strategist, I certainly don't want to be the last. And so we're making the circle bigger and we're creating pathways for more and more people to become conversation strategists. So some of the ideas that I don't want to give too much away that I'm tinkering with is really first looking at how do we help build a new cohort of conversation strategists that have the capability and the skills to do the work. And so there's an element of a skills development, an element of training, perhaps even an academy that I'm looking to step into and to test and to experiment around in the coming years. But I also think there's the question of professionalization of what we do. Those who know me well will know that I always rebel against this idea of our work being called a hustle, or the work on conversation strategists being called gigs. We don't hustle, we don't engage in gigs, and instead what we do is we are in a serious and very much needed space that needs to be professionalized. And so part of the question that I want to respond to is, how do we do that? And I'm really hoping that by beginning to represent emerging conversation strategists and putting their image out into different markets, that we might really begin to professionalize this particular space. And so the future is very exciting for me. I want to think about the direction that I'm going in more as a platform that is enabling not only for myself, but enabling of others. If there's anything that's been clear from the year that we've had of 2020, is the world needs and demands conversation. The world needs and demands conversation strategists. The world does not only need me, but the world needs you too. And so the conversation strategists will become the new home for emerging and established conversation strategists of the future.